ago to do a gum chewing video along with some snapping and blowing bubbles, and I have one piece of gum left, so I figured today would be the day to film this. I'm going to open it. My wisdom teeth are actually coming in, and this side is more sensitive than it has been in the couple of months, so I might not chew on this side too much, except I dominantly chew on this side, so it's sort of difficult to not. I love snapping gum, and my mom hates when I snap gum, so it's kind of funny because whenever I do it, she yells at me. But my subscribers request me to snap my gum, so haha to you, mother. There we go. This gum's very soft, so it's kind of difficult to snap. Will you guys do me a favor and comment below? There were little children screaming outside. Will you guys comment below and tell me how the audio sounds? I'm using the microphone that comes with the iPhone. I'm just going to move it down a bit so it doesn't rub against my Baja. And just tell me how it sounds and tell me if it's okay. I did do a little test on my own, and I thought it sounded okay. I'm wearing the most comfortable poncho right now. They're called Bajas. Many people do call them drug rugs, and they're ponchos. I got mine in Arizona, and it's so warm and so comfortable. It's more comfortable than a sweatshirt. Most of the time, though, people assume that the person who wears it is involved with drugs, at least in my neck of the woods, because they're called drug rugs. But in California, they're called Bajas or ponchos. It just depends on where you go and what they see. I'm going to chew on this side for a bit, even if it hurts, just for you guys. It's on my upper lip. Did you guys know that it's National Coffee Day? I'm really happy it is. I'm really happy I'm chewing gum now because I did have really bad coffee breath. So I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. Got my free coffee and I got to chew gum for you guys. Woo! It's everywhere. It's okay.